Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload your songs to Spotify. So if you guys see this in Spotify, there are lots of songs that you can listen to, but if you want to upload it, you can't do this on the apps directly, but you need a distributor. So what you need to do is you go to this help page in spotify.com, artist.spotify.com, and you'll find the getting music on Spotify article, and here there is some direction on how you can get your song on Spotify. So uh, the distributors will handle the music licensing, distribution, and also pay streaming royalties. So you need to work with a distributor to get your music on Spotify. And if you don't know any distributor, you can just click on this to see the preferred and recommended distributors in the Spotify. So this distributor, but you need to take notes that these distributors uh, meet the highest standard for quality, and there are also charge you with some fee, and you need to take notes on that. So in here it is stated that most distributors charge a fee or commission, so you need a little research for before picking one of these distributors. So here are the list of distributors if you want to upload your songs to Spotify. So when you want to choose one, you can just click on visit, and then you can just start from there and contact the distributor to upload your songs to Spotify. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can upload your songs to Spotify. I hope this info will help you, and don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial.